Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Saw a few light rain showers also in the last hour or so. Those should be continuing to dry up as they move towards the region from the northwest, and shouldn't see any more precipitation this morning. Only a few sprinkles possible the next hour or so. As far as our weather today goes, we'll see some slightly breezy conditions this afternoon as skies start to clear with an area of low pressure departing off to our north and east. We'll have high pressure building in, and that'll allow for us to see more sunshine for this afternoon. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this area low pressure, a strong area low pressure off our coast to the east and continue to move off to the north and east today. We have a weak boundary that's kind of sags south of the area. That'll continue to lift off and wash out across the area, and that'll allow for an area of high pressure built in that's currently across and west of our area. That's going to give us some drying conditions off the mountains today, as well as seeing these clouds starting to dry up across the region for this afternoon. So our current observation this morning is an overcast deck of 400 feet. Winds are light out of the west-northwest at 3 knots. Temperature 45 degrees and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have a good amount of cloud coverage across the region. That'll be continuing the case for this morning, and then once we move in the afternoon, as I mentioned, we should see some more sunshine across the area. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see we do have that cloud cover this morning, seeing a few light sprinkles north and west of the area. And then continuing on towards this afternoon, here's noon or 1700 UTC. You can see here, starting to see some clearing or some breaking up of that cloud cover. And then once we move past about 2 to 3 o'clock, we'll really start to see those clouds break up across the region. We'll see clear skies by later on this afternoon in the evening hours. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, that slight chance of a lingering rain shower this morning or a sprinkle. We'll see highs today mild in the lower 60s as well. So looks like a nice afternoon after we get through this cloud cover this morning. We'll see those slightly breezy winds this afternoon with the downsloping flow off the mountains. We'll see northwesterly winds 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 25 knots at its peak. So we'll have an orange for winds at or greater than 25 knots. We'll also see a slight chance of winds up to 25 knots around 1600 local, and then they'll quickly die down once we move into late afternoon and evening hours. And overnight, we'll see a north to northeasterly wind around 5 to 10 knots. Our low night will be around 37 degrees. Those winds off the water should keep those lows in the upper 30s tonight to possibly mid 30s across the region. Inland locations will see temperatures around freezing tonight. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, see there's low clouds in here this morning, and then by noon should see the ceilings rise up to possibly 3,000 feet, and then continuing on the afternoon should see those clouds scour out across the region and seeing in general VFR conditions after 1600 local. As far as tomorrow morning goes, should see a little bit of low clouds off the coast, as well as a little bit of mid-level clouds and a few cirrus clouds as well. So mostly sunny skies by tomorrow morning. Our tides are 1 to 1.5 feet above normal currently. And Wednesday, we're going to see mostly sunny skies during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon and evening. We'll have a slight chance of some low clouds during the evening. We'll see a high of 56 degrees. Green chart across the board. Those low cloud chances look to be less than 15% this time, but can't rule it out across the region, as some models are indicating some low cloud coming in for the evening hours. For Wednesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, with a chance of low clouds and rain showers. We'll have a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. Be mild and slightly breezy with a low of 50 degrees. We'll see a good chance of those rain showers across the region, especially right after dawn. Looks like the best time. We'll see those rain showers and as well as that thunderstorm chance around 20%. Low clouds, looks like there going to be a chance of that during the early overnight hours across the region. Then for Thursday, we'll see slight chance of lingering rain showers in the morning. Otherwise, mostly cloudy and warm and slightly breezy, a high of 68 degrees. We'll see those slight chances of rain showers till about 10 to 11 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Looks like they should move out of the region fairly quickly. And then our low clouds, can't rule those out during the morning hours with the rain showers in the region. But looking like only a slight chance this time for Thursday morning. Otherwise, we'll see those warm temperatures on Thursday approaching 70 degrees across the coastal sections, and should see temperatures in the 70s inland on Thursday, so it looks like a really nice afternoon as of right now. Well, that'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.